Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I'm working with WIGNEE's hair. They did send me a bomb unit. I do want to start the video off by doing a unboxing. The wig did come with all types of goodies. It included a wig cap, faux lashes, rubber bands, a paddle brush, and it came with one clamp to like add volume to your hair. Also in the brochure, it was just information on how to care for the hair and information about their policies. I did want to take the hair out to show y'all the quality of the box. The packaging was really nice. I love that. Presentation is everything. Now let's go ahead and get into this wig. So this is a 24-inch 13 by 4 water wave unit. The hair was really soft. This is how it came right out the bag. I didn't manipulate it or anything. That's the hair in its natural state. I am going to give y'all a little close-up of the hair texture. It's a little softer than a deep wave. This is the lace. As y'all can see, it did come pre-plucked, but I am going to go in and pluck it a little on camera, and I am going to go ahead and bleach my knots. I'm showing y'all the construction of the wig. It came with 4 clamps, 3 around the front of the hairline and 1 in the back. I also would like to tell y'all that it was very big head friendly. I did want to mention that the hair was really soft and it did not have a smell to it. Usually processed hair has a peculiar smell, but this wig smelled normal straight out the box. I didn't have to wash it or do anything to it to get that scent out. I am going to go ahead and move into plucking the unit. Usually what I do is pull just a piece of hair out, and I started plucking from the point of where I would like my baby hairs. If I know I want a baby hair in the middle, I'll start plucking there. If I would just want 2 on the sides, I'll pull a few strands of hair out and I would pluck in that area. And then I would just continuously do this until I think my hairline looks natural. So as y'all can see, I'm just plucking it. It's pretty self-explanatory. All the information on this unit will be listed down below. If y'all would like to see how I got this finished look, please continue to watch.
You got me looking at my watch every minute. o'clock. Yeah. You got me looking at my watch every minute. Yeah. Because I'm waiting on you. I said I'm waiting on you. Make a move. I'm waiting on you. Yeah. 7 o'clock in the morning. Is it 7 o'clock? Yeah. You got me looking at my watch every minute. Yeah. Because I'm waiting on you. I said I'm waiting on you. Make a move. I'm waiting on you. Yeah. 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, so this is the final look. I love everything about it. The hair does get bigger when it dries. This is the hairline. I am going to go in and just put a little bit of my foundation on the hairline just to give it more of a natural look. But as you can see, the lace looks bomb. The baby hairs look bomb. I did want to put the hair in a ponytail, but I decided to go ahead and style it down. I am going to show y'all that this wig is very versatile. So if you would like to pull the wig up in a ponytail, or do two ponytails, or do braids, or just do any type of updo, you definitely can do that with this wig. Again, the hairline was really easy to pluck. I did not bleach the knots on this unit, hence why I'm putting makeup on the lace. But as y'all can see, it blended in pretty well. All the information on this hair will be listed down below. Again, thank you for Wiggins for sponsoring today's video. Peace.
It's 7 o'clock.